Hey, Mac users, get ready to take control of your navigation experience with these simple steps. Open up System Preferences. You'll find it in the Apple menu. Click on Trackpad. It's where the magic happens. Now let's dive into customization. Adjust your tracking speed to find that perfect balance between swift and steady. Fun fact: did you know? The trackpad on your Mac is designed to respond to the pressure of your touch, giving you precise control over your cursor movements. Next up, scroll direction. Feeling a little disoriented? No problem. Switch it up to match your natural scrolling preference. And finally, let's talk gestures. Whether it's swiping, tapping, or clicking, customize your gestures to fit your workflow seamlessly. Bonus tip: enable tap to click for a faster clicking experience. Simply go to trackpad settings and check the box next to tap to click. Extra tip: want to master the 3-finger drag? Head to accessibility settings, choose mouse and trackpad, and enable 3-finger drag. Now you can effortlessly move windows and objects with ease. So there you have it, a personalized trackpad experience tailored just for you. Smooth sailing ahead.